If you're seeing a Chrome error 502, don't worry. This usually means the problem is temporary or caused by something on your device. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. We'll start with the fastest solution first, then move through the deeper fixes that usually solve the issue for good. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. First, try a cache bypassing reload. Sometimes, servers have a momentary connection hiccup and the error disappears after a fresh request. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R. This forces Chrome to ignore the stored copy of the page and request a completely fresh version from the server. If the page loads after this, then the issue is probably just a temporary connection problem. If not, move on to the next step. Now clear your Chrome cache and cookies. Over time, old browser data can interfere with how pages load, especially if a site has changed recently. To do this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on Windows, or open Chrome settings and find the browsing data option. Select cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Set the time range to all time, then click Delete Data. After that, restart Chrome completely and try loading the page again. This removes corrupted or outdated files that may be causing the 502 error. Next, open the page in Incognito mode. Some browser extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, and script blockers, can interfere with the connection and trigger a false 502 loop. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus N on Windows or Command plus Shift plus N on Mac to open a private window. Then type the website address directly into the address bar and see if it loads. If it works in Incognito mode, that's a strong sign that one of your extensions is causing the problem. To test that, click the three dots in Chrome, go to Extensions, then click Manage Extensions. From there, turn off your active extensions one by one, especially ad blockers and privacy shields, until you find the one breaking the connection. After that, reload the site and check if the error is gone. Another important fix is to switch off any VPNs or network proxies. These tools can sometimes route your traffic through unstable servers or change the connection path in a way that causes the browser to fail loading the site correctly. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it completely and then refresh the page. If you have a proxy enabled on your system or browser, turn that off too, then test the website again. If the 502 error continues, the next step is to flush your local DNS configuration. A stale DNS record can point Chrome toward an old or broken server address, even when the website itself is working normally. On Windows, open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Once it finishes, restart Chrome and try the website again. This clears the old site lookup information and forces your system to fetch a fresh DNS path. If you followed all of these steps, one of them should usually fix the Chrome error 502. In most cases, the issue is caused by a temporary server problem, corrupted cache, a bad extension, or a network setting, like VPN or DNS. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.